Why should you change the gear oil? Is engine oil and gear oil the same? And how you should change the gear oil at home? All these questions I will answer in this video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and never miss a video. So let's move on to the first question. Why should we change the gear oil? Now guys, when you change the gear oil, it will improve the performance of your vehicle. Now your scooter doesn't have manual gears, but it has automatic gears. As you speed up, the gears will shift automatically. Now to keep those gears shift smoothly, this gear oil will help you in achieving that. So if you change your gear oil time to time, your shifting will be smooth. It will also give good protection to your gears. There are wheels inside which rotate, and if the oil has become too thin, then there will be wear and tear of the transmission components. It will also reduce the heat generated by the transmission system, preventing overheating and potential damage. By reducing the internal friction within transmission, it will even improve your fuel efficiency and also the life of your transmission system. So now you know why you have to replace your gear oil time to time. Moving on to the next question, and the next question is engine oil and gear oil the same? Guys, I'll tell you a story what happened to one of my friend. He drained the engine oil and gear oil as well at the same time, and while filling up he filled only the engine oil because he thought that was the only place where he can put the oil inside the scooter. So after that he rode the bike, and once I was replacing the gear oil, he reached there in time and he saw me putting oil in the gearbox, and he started thinking that I have drained this oil but I never replaced it with a new. And then he came to know that you have to put in the gear oil as well. So don't do that mistake guys. Engine oil is separate and gear oil is separate. When you drain the engine oil, you will have to fill it up with new. And when you drain the gear oil, you will have to also fill it up with new. So these are completely two different things. So guys, now let's move on to how to replace this gear oil at home. So I will demonstrate this on a Honda Activa. Now guys, I have done a video like this for the first time where I have shared information first and then I am showing the repairs. If you like this style, then see that you comment below and let me know. And if you don't like it, also comment below and let me know about that as well. Because sometimes I show the repairs, but you don't know when you have to do those repairs. Why you have to clean the carburetor, why you have to replace certain things. That's why now I'm thinking of giving information first, why you have to do those things, and then show you the repairs. If you like this style, then please see that you comment below and let me know so that I know that I'm on the right track. So come on, now let's see how to replace the gear oil. So this is the Honda Activa, and as you can see here on its gearbox it is written how much gear oil you should be putting in here. So if you see here it is written 0.12 liter. So how much is 0.12 liter? 0.12 liter means 120 ml gear oil you will have to put inside of this gearbox. Now before you put in the new oil, you will have to empty this because there will be old gear oil inside. So take a 12 mm socket and take the down bolt out. The moment you take this bolt out, oil will start to flow out. Let the entire oil flow out. Bend the bike to empty it completely. Once you take out all the oil, put back the bolt, and once you put that back, see that you tighten it properly. And once you tighten it properly, you will notice that there is one more bolt on top here. Now this bolt you will have to take out completely. So take the same socket and take this bolt out completely. Now inside the hole of this bolt, you will have to put the oil, and as you can see here, this is the engine oil. Now this engine oil comes with a gear oil as well, as you can see here, but you can even buy this separately. As you can see here, this comes exactly 120 ml. So this entire thing you will have to empty in your gearbox. So take a scissor and cut the top part like this. Now this tube is designed to replace the gear oil, and the pipe of this tube will go easily inside the bolt hole. So press it nicely and empty entire tube inside of your gearbox. Now keep the bolt close by or in your other hand, because immediately you will have to put this, otherwise the oil might start to flow out. The moment you take out this tube, you will have to put back the bolt and then tighten it properly. And with this, your gearbox oil is now replaced. If you have any question, then see that you comment below and let me know. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. And I will see you guys in my next video.